What type of precaution should passenger take for their baggage while traveling?
Do not keep their baggage alone, and do not walk with your baggage on the side pockets, and never accept anything from anyone.
Right? If something goes wrong with your passenger abroad, where should he contact?
Indian consulate.
Right? What are the things related to driving license that need to be ensured?
That the driving license should be valid in which the passenger are visiting, and also driving, and he should know the rules and regulation in the country he is visiting.
Right? What license is required for driving foreign trip in some countries?
International driving license.
Right? When traveling abroad, what should be kept in mind regarding the gift or package?
Never accept anything from anyone.
Right? If passenger wear glasses, what should they keep in mind while traveling abroad?
That take a separate pair of glasses, and if they wear contact lenses, they should keep a separate pair of that.
Right? What should the traveler always have in foreign travel?
Travel insurance.
Right? What should the traveler never accept anything from anyone while going out of